Hello guys and welcome back into new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to sync Google Calendar with Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, you will need just to go to Setup, and from here we click on Setup, and after that we will need just to start adding our Google account in Salesforce. And basically, you will need just to use the activity capture in Salesforce. So from here, I'm just going to type activity capture, and we will find this Einstein email insights. So if you don't have it enabled already, you will need to go first to the settings and make sure it is enabled. So basically, if you don't have it enabled, you will find only one choice of saying enable the Einstein activity capture. And after that, you will be able to add your account. So I'm having already this my configuration, and you will need just to click on new configuration, or it will just give you the interface. You give it a name, you click on next, and basically from here, you will need to make sure that you have your events, which is the calendar that will be synced in both direction. So either you can have it from Google Suite to Salesforce or Salesforce to Google Suite, and make sure to have it both directions so they can be synced, and you can also sync the emails, or you can just disable them if you would like. After that, you will need just to click on next, and from here you can add some additional configuration, and you will need just to click on next and save. And now you can go to the summary, and you will have your Google suite that will be added. And now you will need just to uh, connect them. And now you will have your calendar that will be synced. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.